Hey everyone, this time on Tim Talks Audio, the basics of dynamics using the channel strip plugin in Presonus Studio One. This video will be good for our Prime users because the channel strip plugin is available in Presonus Studio One Prime. When we talk about dynamics, we talk about the comparison of the loudest part of our signal to the quietest part of our signal, and the processes we can use to affect the differences between the loudest parts and the softest parts. The dynamics section is this section on the left, underneath where it says compress and expand. A compressor and an expander work in very similar ways, but in the opposite direction. A compressor will take the loudest part of your signal and bring it closer to the quieter part, where an expander will take the quietest part of your signal and make it further away from the loudest part of your signal. In the channel strip, you have just the two knobs that will affect how much compression or expansion will happen to your source signal. And the three buttons underneath, fast, medium, and slow, changes the rate in which the compression or expansion reacts to the source signal. This doesn't just change the attack or release time, but it affects both ends. The attack time is how quickly a compressor or expander will react when a signal reaches a threshold, and we'll get into threshold on a more advanced compressor later. The release time is how quickly the compressor or expander releases the signal back to its normal source volume after compression or expansion has happened. In the channel strip plugin, these buttons affect both the attack and release time simultaneously, and you only get the one option, fast, medium, or slow. We're going to use our piano to show off the compressor side of the channel strip. We'll solo it out and hit play. There's our raw piano, but as it's playing, I'll begin to increase the compression amount. When I got towards the end there, you could really hear it clamping down and squashing our signal. Our medium time let a little bit of the transients or start of the signal come through until the compressor actually crushed down. And the medium release time let go of the signal just enough before the next hit where it clamped down again. Let's leave it at 100%, but change the attack and release time to fast and take a listen to what it does then. If we back off the compression amount, you can hear it quickly grab the piano when it hits initially, but then lets go quickly as well. Because of our settings, you can actually hear it wobble a little. And if you look over here, you'll actually see the meter show the reduction and it going up and down. Let's zoom in on this. See how it's bouncing a lot? The compressor still thinks that the signal is over the threshold, and because of our fast attack and release time, it continuously grabs that sound wave, making that wobble sound. If we back off some more, you can just hear it clamp down on the attack of this piano. Let's zoom back out to a normal view. And we'll do the same thing, but with a slow attack and release time. To me, this seems much more natural on the release end, and because of the slow attack, you get a nice hammer sound from the piano. That's all for now. If you found anything in this video informative, please like and share this video. Or if you have a question, leave it in the comments and we'll make it into a future video. Thanks for watching.